Muyumbe wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro ni wasani usenyo kuona tongo imate kuigwa na maunduni makonete kukwata mbao kisomo kuisila capitation kiki yuka itina woneni wa Minister Mbadi kuvitukana na oneni wa President William Ruto ni wa muti President Ruto kwa kisomo kwende ya kuonza vandu va kwaila na kuwete cheni kui uni wa manyigwa aineni achadhini cha kunenga manyigwa makiagudhu boys mithinzio ni wasakana akenya mendo oneni wa uumwe na wawo utena muvuvu Lina Musangi ena mauvo.
Onene ya skuluni muyumbe wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro ni waweta takimako muno tongo imovi tukana uneni ni wo maundu makonete maskulu kukwata iloviesia kutetheisha kisomo wenda capitation uwe ukaitina oneni wa musumbe kuidhona vitukania na wa Minister Muveani wa kisomo kukonia ilovia
Education and accumulation of knowledge is one of the factors that catapult economies forward. And therefore, for no avoidance of doubt, we are not going to allow anyone to play around with free basic education. It is appalling to see people in the same government giving different conflicting statements around the same subject. Even if you wanted to lie to Kenyans, you would have called for a meeting to harmonize the lie. So that when you come out, give Kenyans the proper picture. We hear the minister for this talking about this, the minister for the other differently, the other minister for the other differently. You need to give Kenyans hope and a cohesive messaging.
Nyoro na ulo na imwene kivilo wa kamiti ya budget ni wende ya kutula muti utongoi wa musumbe William Ruto kwa kilo kuwetata utongoi wende na kuanza kisomo vandu va kwa ile movea uno kenda kwa ile uni wa manyiwa
22,000 as capitation is not a figure that came from the air and fell in schools. It was out of analysis done on the issues that capitation supports in a school. And therefore, we must not be discussing about whether to go down from 22,000. The discussion should be, since when 22,000 came about as capitation, there has been inflation. We should be talking about increasing capitation from 22,000 upwards. Capitation for primary schools is the same figure that President Mwai Kibaki was giving decades ago. Yet there has been inflation, there has been changes in pricing. The discussion in the country should not be about whether to do away with it. It should be about how much money are we adding to capitation in primary schools, in JS and senior secondary schools.
Tawe weta tongo mama skulu ta medhitu na vinda yomo kumana na kuidho medhitu na makuwani maingeti na ilovia isi ya capitation kuidho ite unengo maskulu vinda ila ya ile na vala yumo vya uwa kisomo tangasi ya kana serikali ndina utonyo wa kuende seseso ye muvikia kutangasa kolo kwa ilovia
Don't tell us, just set the money. And a tip, ile pesa ambayo, most of these principals, let me tell you parents, they run these schools like insurance companies. Ile unachukua policy ya huyu, unalipa yule. Majority of the schools in Kenya, and I'm saying so because I have interacted with many principals, and especially because of Kiharu Masomo Bora, have many debts owing to unremitted capitation that the government has not sent to the schools for the last several periods. Tunawauliza kwa heshima, shule zimeweka budget yao wakitumia 22,000. Tafadhali, even the arrears that are there, pay the schools so that the schools can pay the suppliers. Principals wetu waache kujificha wakitoka shule.
Nivala himu ujumbe uno na vitangiwe kamitini ya budget ta memba wa mwenda musumbe William Ruto kunenga ndaya Kenya na kuivetana na kuanza kisomo. Guripoti ya vlingu wa mauvo ni Lina Musangi.